Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to get Minecraft Pocket Edition for free. So you have to go to Google, sorry for that, and go to App, Toys, App. So now what you want to go, if you want to go to the first one, and go to any kind, and just have private browsing for no reason. Okay. And you see now, you're going to have to press install now. Install now. And then check your thing and wait for it to download. Sorry for talking. Go to the file. Just install. It might take you to settings, and then you have to do a not a survey, but it says something about, forgot what it says, but when it's installing, you have to open it. And then search Minecraft right here. I already bought it. So that's how to buy Minecraft. And thanks so much for watching, and hit that like button if you like this video, and share it with your friends and subscribe. Thank you.